Guys, what is up? It is Sean here bringing you guys another video. And in today's video, we will be looking at the upcoming chance of a hurricane possibly in the Eastern Pacific. And we'll be looking at the severe weather threat in the plains as the severe weather has been ramping up over the weeks and shows no signs of stopping. So without further ado, let's get started. So, we have, first off, we're going to be looking at tropical tidbits. And if we move this along, the rain exits the area, and then the east coast is pretty clear and dry. Then if we move this along, we do have a storm down there that starts to form, that might form into a tropical depression. Then we have another one right there that might cause some trouble. But that is all. And if, let me just take a sounding real quick. And that is all just estimate. If we look in the Gulf, do we have any storms? No, not really any storms in the Gulf. But alright, so let's look at the climate, not the National Hurricane Center. So there is nothing in the next 5 days for the Atlantic, but in the Eastern Pacific, we have a 90% chance of tropical formation within the next 48 hours, with a tropical depression expected to form later tonight or Saturday while it moves westward at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then in the Central Pacific, we have nothing. So on tropical tidbits, let's take a look at that with our HWRF model. So here it is. So if we move it on, shows rapid signs of hurricane. We do have an eye wall here that you can see, and there's Mexico right there, and it just strengthens as it gets to Mexico. Then we have this major storm, and if I just take a quick sounding, yeah, that is a major storm. So I move this along. So that's all it has. So a major storm 970 millibar, that is crazy. Let's look at the HMON model for it. It has it slightly stronger, and it has it forming quicker and becoming stronger quicker, and it has it slightly stronger and 967 millibar lowest. And the lower the millibar, the higher the strength. So it has it 960 at landfall, and then it just, whoa, that's actually interesting. We might have to watch when it comes across Mexico, because it looks like this is showing it reform. What if we check the HWRF model and see what it does? Modern progress 12. Doesn't show anything. Let's look at the GFS for it. Alright, so it has it forming way quicker, and wow, a 958 millibar load that is extremely powerful. Like Hurricane Ida force was 958. That is an extremely powerful storm. Wow. And keeps are high. Ooh. Then after after. So 953 as the lowest. Wow. And finally, let's check the Canadian model for it. Alright, so it has it as 985. So the Canadian model is downplaying it. And GFS has it as the strongest. So now let's look at the Storm Prediction Center. And we do have an enhanced risk on day 3. And we have a day 4 30% risk. And we do have a slight risk in effect today. And that is dying off. And then tomorrow as well, with wind and hail being the main threat tomorrow. And then we can't tell. But there's already a significant severe for day 3. Alright, Climate Prediction Center for 6 to 10 days. The north central will be looking at below average temperatures, while Idaho, western Montana, very eastern Oregon and Washington, Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, Utah are looking at above normal temperatures, along with southern Texas, Louisiana, and such, and the precipitation low for the north and above normal for the west. So for the 8 to 14, the east coast is below, and they are near normal precipitation wise. Week 3 and 4, the east is above, and the northwest is below, with northwest getting above average precipitation, along with Florida and such. And then global hazards, it's not really showing much right now. Temperature excessive heat 6.4 through 6.10. Slight 6.4 through 6.7. No hazard. Yeah. Alright. 3-month outlook. Above normal precipitation in the east, with above normal temperatures, below normal in the west as usual. 1-month outlook, above normal and pretty much equal chances. And next, National Weather Service. So we have severe thunderstorm watches here with scattered severe thunderstorm warnings in it. Same with down here in the Virginia area. And the Virginia area one is until 10 p.m. And let me pull up the other one. Watches this one. This one is until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So, with the wind gusts up to 80 miles per hour, and that is large. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, please leave a like and subscribe, as I hope to do more of these in the future, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.